Well, this is it. This is the beginning of our Chesil beach trip. This is going to probably have to be, I reckon, like a few parts video, just due to we're doing 3 nights. So we are there for Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday. We're doing 3 nights of fishing. Whether we do some stuff during the day, which we probably will. We'll probably try and do some mackerel feathering and that, hopefully, now that all of the school holidays are over and done with. And everyone should hopefully be back to work, and it's not the weekend. We won't be plagued by the mackerel fishing. I have never fished this place, so this is a first for me. I'm going with Rob and Balaam. We're staying in a caravan all together, but also a few other of our friends have booked on at the same time, so this is going to be one hell of a good social. We've got Carl Meadows, Ash Meadows and James Meadows, and then Proffitt. So the whole Meadows family are coming. They're going to be staying in another caravan, and so we should hopefully all be travelling down together and doing some fishing with each other. So it should be a fair few fish caught. I'm going to struggle to film everybody's stuff because obviously I'm going to be concentrating on my own rods. So it's going to be a bit difficult to do, you know, the filming of all that. So you'll have to bear with us. We'll film as much as we can film, and in night it's going to be a bit difficult filming because we're not fishing the daytime. So we'll see how we get on. Yeah, but I'm now setting off down to Rob's. All the stuff is loaded in the van. Yes, everything is loaded into the van, and hopefully we'll get down there in a few hours' time and catch some fish. We have made it. We have done our road tour. Mr. Milzo, I've just met them down there. Him and Balaam have come down, and the nice thing is, I just flip this around across the way from the rest of the lads. We couldn't have booked it any better. Prof, Ash, James, Carl, we're doing a big old session down here, so we should hopefully get you guys some fish. But Carlos sunbathing already, mate. He's got the guns out. So yeah, I think Balaam's stretching his legs. We'll see you when we're back down on the beach. We're at our first mark. We're all pulled up. Sun's now dying down. Where is this we're at, Mills?
Abbotsbury.
Abbotsbury. Here, guide and some of these boys have been before. I haven't been before, so.
Famous part.
Yeah.
This is Chesil Beach.
It's beautiful. I've never been here, but we just took a little stroll over there to see the sea, and that is something special. Prof's going. Have you got your surfboard with you, Prof?
No, not yet. He's at the wrong place.
But yeah, loading up, we'll get there and we'll hopefully get some fish and bring you back. Well, I am absolutely knackered. That is ridiculous. Let me flip this round. The hills. I know people explained it to us, but Jesus Christ. But sea's blue. That's killed me. Well, we've made it eventually.
Yeah.
Oh man, that walk is killer. Rob said it is. I mean, man, that is something else. But we're here, the sun is shining. I think everyone needs to catch their breath for a little while. I've banged out a little loop rig with some ragworm on just to start the game that we got. I think high tide is, what time's high tide? Quarter nine, so we've got a bit of time. Got a little bit of time coming up. We're now at sort of 20 to 8. I think everyone's just going to take a slow set up and catch your breath, and if we get some fish, we'll bring you back. Well, we're on our second cast. I've just changed over. I'm trying crab now, and I've got a sandeel and worm on the loop rig. The other one is just on a pulley, but nothing as yet. But I think the chap next to us just had a fish. I didn't see what it was. It was either a hound or it might have been a dogfish. I don't know, it was small, whatever, but we're trying. None of us hit anything yet. And Mr. Balaam's in with the first fish. Gotta be a hound.
Definitely.
Ripped that off, did it, mate? Well done, Mikey. What'd you have that on, mate?
Crab.
Yeah. Too loose.
Still pulling. Still pulling.
That's right. Just get it set. He's just trying to get his drag set. Well done, Mikey.
I heard that drag from over here.
Yes.
What was that on?
Crab. As soon as it hits night time, get the crabs.
You alright?
They keep slipping.
Now, I'm trying not too much. I think what way to loosen it? Up and that.
Yeah, tighten it will be going forward.
That way.
Tighten and it will go like that.
This
That's
way
loosening your drag. That way's tight. Oh, Mikey, Mikey. That's it. As soon as that night hits, we can get this base going now. It's such a deep drop there, isn't it?
Yeah.
To bring a fish up.
I'm looking at the right time, so once it started going. I heard his drag from over there. I just heard
He went Mikey's away. Carlos has got into some mackerel.
Yeah,
4 mackerel.
ready for bait. Prof said 4.
Has he?
Look at him.
Keep it going, Prof.
He's hooked them back on.
Come on, get back and get some more. Keep it going.
Was that a white crab? Can't beat a bit of crab.
You can't.
Swoop out.
I love it.
I do. Can't help it.
Fresh one on in a minute. It's now going to sling out that.
I've tried squid in that and sand.
So I've tried it. Is it kiting up, Mikey? Yeah. Well done.
You know why you caught that, don't you, Mike? The rod, mate.
It's his own rig, isn't it?
Yeah, mate, you're a shake me hand.
You're down here, aren't you?
Yeah,
You're right down in the deeps. We should be able to see it soon.
got lead up.
Look how excited we're all getting. Love it. Hey, look, his lead's there. Nice! You have to get it up on that surf and into there, ain't you? You just got to get it up that beach. It's strong, though, isn't it, Mike? Oh.
Yeah, when they work for me, you have to just come walk.
Get them up, don't you?
Yeah.
Just get him.
Trying to get me. That was a big old surf, and then it took me ages to get it.
Nice fish, though, Mikey, for a first.
Getting up now, and about the fucking line goes.
Right down there.
The lead's here again, look. You just got to get him. Wait for that thing and get him up.
So much pressure on the fucking rod.
That'll pull it up. Get it up. Yeah!
That's a nice one, boy.
That's a nice one. It's about £6, isn't it, I reckon?
Bigger than that.
Is it? Oh, we got well done, Mikey. Yeah, maybe.
Nice.
Mikey done it. Hey, we've got scales.
My God.
What we got?
£9 boom. £9.
Well done, Mikey. £9. Get back.
My God.
Let's hurry up and get him back. Let's get him back. Nice fight. You need to get down a little bit, but
I'm not getting soaked. Let's slide it down.
Just wait for a good wave here. There we go. He's off.
Film me,
Yeah,
yeah.
boy.
There you go. Smooth hound for Gav.
A bull ass for Rob.
Put your light off, Mills.
Turn the lights on.
Yeah.
First ever bull husk milk?
Yeah, it is my first ever ball.
Yeah, you do it in style. Don't fuck about.
Yeah, boy. That's where we come to Chesil. Look at that.
Nice.
Beautiful.
Well done, boys.
Bull ass and a hound.
Yeah.
Days. Squid?
What's your line?
Yeah. Let's get these back. Let me get my light on.
I'll get a picture.
Should we try and get a picture together
Okay.
quickly then,
Yeah.
Rob? Well, I don't need to do
Where's
mine,
that?
do I? That's recording. Well done, Proffitt. Turn your light out. Proffitt has nailed a small eye. Well done, mate.
Pocket job.
We're getting them.
Off the bitch, mate.
I bet you are. Let's keep them coming. I think I just had a little tap on the right hand. I think Rob's into a fish. Is Mikey in as well? You can't really see much, it's dark. I had a nice little knock on that right hand rod. But I need to go and see what Rob's got. I think Rob's into a good fish here. What's that on, Rob?
Crab and squid.
Hey, that could be a hound then. Nice one. I think it's taking a bit of line up there, isn't it, Rob? It is just so deep and clear, it's just beautiful. We can't see what it is yet. That's a hound. Yeah. Tell by the eye, can't you? Ah, foul hook, didn't it? Still a nice fish, though. Oh no, it's got your crab, hasn't it? It's weird. Your pennel's got it wrapped around the fin. Nice one. Have a little turn around, Robbo. Well done, mate. Carlos has got a hound. He's in. Are you coming to join us, Carl? Where have you come from? About 4 swims up. That's there. I can see. Yeah, the tide's just not been moving, has it? I can see it. Chilling. Get it up on the beach, Carlos. Oh no, it's going back. Next wave. It's done, that's for sure. Yeah, grab that. Get out of the water a bit. That's it. Yeah! Well done, Carlos. That's gone around his pectoral, look like. That's what happened to. I reckon I just spat it. But at least you've got it. Well done, mate. Ah, these bloody things. Not what I was after. Bloody eel. Probably not going to focus, but bloody eels. I know I was warned by a lot of people by them, but them things are annoying as hell. Not the best things to catch. Everyone's now loading up for session 2. Back again and ready for session 2. We're doing the same mark. Hi. Yeah, we're doing the same mark. We had a good little session last night, fair few fish, so we thought, what's the point in changing it? We're going to go do the same mark, maybe try and get a bit closer to the car park, and then see if we can get some more fish, see what we can do. We are down the beautiful beach again. Rob's trying to get some mackerel. giving it a go. There's a fair few mackerel fishermen down here and a fair few people. Beautiful conditions again, absolutely beautiful. Carl and them have gone a bit further down the beach, so we're not together this time, but that's all right. We've got our little free together and we'll see what we can do. We're not rushing to put baits out in a minute because it always happened at night. The fishing was so much better, so we're just going to try and get some mackerel, keep them fresh and see what we can do.
Here we go, Gav's in.
We're mackereling.
Mackerel on. Oh yes.
String.
Down here
I'm taking it steady because they come off easy apparently.
on the mighty Chesil.
Come on,
Oh
you
yes,
buggers.
triple. Triple. Come on, Gav. Get in. Triple on. Gav's in again. He is the mackerel man. He is the mackerel man. See if we can watch him come up in this clear water.
Tell you, mate.
Beautiful. Gym clear water. Here it comes. It's the one this time. Still good. Beautiful.
Hell yeah! Millsy just had a nice take. I missed the take. But I could see it from my buddy. My beach buddy, mate. That rod was going.
Whoa, Chesil Beach,
Chesil Beach!
2023.
Chesil Beach, mother
Proffitt
truckers!
boys on tour.
We've been mackereling. We've had about 10 mackerel now, I think.
Yeah. Easy.
So we've got some fresh mackerel to use. But this was on a squid and
This is crab and squid.
crab and squid. Crab and squid.
Crab and squid. Crab and squid. Jungle is massive. I reckon I'm putting my money right
Right. Right.
on a big eel.
Are you? No. We'll see in a minute.
Come in dead weight first. Dead weight and then up fucking.
Yeah. Language, sir. Not red, don't matter.
Then it ran.
Yeah.
Now I'm just pumping it in.
The old mackerelers are still out in force. This beach is just beautiful. It's just unreal. We're getting closer. All our fellow fishermen have gone down the beach instead of being social with us. Was it? Yeah. But you lost the other one. God, just look at that. Look.
Third time lucky.
In the sun and that. But look at this hill behind us. It's just drastic. I'm not looking forward to that when we go home every time.
There we are.
This time we're buzzing, we're excited, we've had a little kip and we're ready for fishing today.
Getting close.
We were tired yesterday, man, 'cause it was a long old day.
Down here.
Sure we're in a raiding or something? Might be a ray. Can we see it? Can we see it? This water's beautiful. Don't.
Move out.
Hey! Ooh! Yeah!
Oh, hold on.
Have you done that again, Rob? Like, it's come out with a smell flip. Do you know what? No, I don't know.
I see it in there.
I wonder if they're hitting it, Rob, and that's why we're missing some. And then,
That's why I felt dead weight, weren't it?
yeah. But still, nice fish.
Yeah, hold the rod. I'll get that hook out.
That's a good, nice, well, I reckon, 8 pounder, is it? 7, 8 pounder again?
Lively.
Easily a 7 or 8 pounder. And a nice little hold up. I'll tell you what, let's get this bit of sun in the background. If you can.
Wow, watch your rods. Smoothies are in.
Here it is.
Here we go.
Beautiful.
First one of the evening.
First one of this session. Good 7 or 8 pounder, I reckon. Beauty. Let's get her on the side. Yeah. I was waiting for it then. Look what Mikey's just got. Wicked. Hey, let him get you. I can't really see it too well. You'll have to.
Get a light on.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got him. I got him.
Yeah, he's got it. Hold it up a little. I need to get it in the light a bit.
Hey, Mr.
Star! Mikey needs to hold it. Get it on. Get a picture of that. Get it on the.
Hold it like that.
He can't get you.
I'm not.
Nah. Get a. Well done, Mikey, look.
Man's got a lobster.
Man's got a lobster. Right, we're going to get this back because unfortunately, which is going to kill us, because I know a lot of people would want to eat that.
Look in the water.
We just can't take it home, so
Hold on, wait. It's not coming up.
we can't take it home.
Oh, it's a booty.
So he can go back. Oh, he's waving.
See ya.
Come on, mate. Your lucky day.
Here's your lucky day.
Look at that.
Adios.
Look at that.
Well
That's
done.
in. Possible ray. Was that whole mackerel?
Not home.
Oh, right.
No.
Gav could have his ray. Keep an eye on your odds, Mills. It's all kicking off here. We're coming down here. Where we at? Feel like a ray. Oh yeah, nice. Oh, look at that water. Look at that. Look at that, look at that. Here it is, look. Here it is, wherever it is, Mills.
White.
Where's that, a ray? Oh, it's a ray.
Here's a ray.
Oh, come on, baby. Undulate. Come on. Mills, get that line, Yeah, undulate. Get in. Oh, yes, Gav. Look at that.
That's what I want to get.
Bad boy.
Look. Hey, well, that bad
I'll have a
boy.
high five to that.
Yes.
Bad boy.
Oh.
Look at that.
How'd you do it? You catch your own bait. Oh, that's a good size, isn't it?
Nice fish. What he? Ho.
Well, I swallowed that. I'll undo the leader. That's that short up and over.
Not bad weighty fish.
Nice.
I need to check it. That's attached.
We'll bring you back.
I need to get my head torch on.
Put your light on me.
Oh, Gav,
We've done it.
with his undulate.
Oh, I'm happy with that. I'm going to give
Lovely
her a quick,
fish.
quick way. Got some scales here. Is that pointing at me?
Yeah, sort of. Oh,
Is
Gav,
it?
help him.
Oh, Rob's in! Rob's in!
Here's have a rod, Gav.
I can't, I've got a fish on my hand. No, I'm looking.
Is it going under, Mills? Jesus, Gav.
£9.8 this one. Is that an undulate? Is it an undulate, Rob? A small eye, it's a small eye, isn't it? That's a small eye. Look at that, no, you've got to get a picture of these. Rob, come up here, this was £9.8. Rob's got a bigger small eye. That's still recording, get your torch off, Rob. We've got to get a good picture of these. You have to lay there a minute, I'm sorry.
Well done. Mackerel boys.
That's fresh mackerel, boy. Get it on.
I'm putting mackerel on. Look at her. Hello. Wicked. And that's how we do it down here on the mighty Chesil.
Circled up.
Fresh mackerel. Caught by Gavin Mills.
Road.
Who's got another bite, but hey.
Come on, eat it.
Two of the species we wanted. The undulate. Beautiful fish. And the blonde.
Is it going on? There we go. There you go.
Oh, blondie. She's not happy, but
8.50. Oh, sorry. 8.15. 8.15. Huh?
8.15, so nearly 9.
It's 8.15.
8.15.
Yeah.
Nice.
What was that? I can't even think what that one was. We ain't gonna do
Oh,
that
wicked.
again,
Look at that for a picture. Come on.
Rob. Oh, we.
Oh,
No, I do. I'm just gonna hold it like that, Rob. How did you do that?
there you go.
I'll do this.
Mills, you need your torch off, mate. Yeah. Oh, it's a pucker picture. Oh, yes.
Yes, boy.
And off they go. See you, Mr. Undulate.
It's Mikey's turn.
Going up. Might be a smoothie.
That'll be a smoothie, I reckon. Look at that. It's so clear. Mikey's in on the crab. That's a chitin.
That is a chitin. That's what we like.
That's what we like. Oh, I can see it. That is a smoothie. It's coming right in, look. Chilling in the... Just... He's going to come up on that surf now. Just pull you right up to the side. Yeah. Oh, that's a nice one, Mike, as well. That might be bigger than your other one. That is bigger than your other one, I reckon. That's not bad. That might be on par with his other one, I reckon. Well done, Mike. That's a nice one. We can't really wangs. We ain't got a sling, have we? Well, that's a good fish. I don't know. That might be the sass deceiving. That's a good fish, that one. Oh, it ain't as big as his other one. Deceiving. 8 pound. Alright, it's around the 8. We're just under. Hard way to weigh it.
Yeah, we'll give you
8 pound, Mikey. Well done. Mike, you got a screamer.
Hell yeah. I can't do shit.
Damn! Tighten up a little bit, alright, Ham. Love it. What a session. Can't do nothing with it. I can't do. What's that, Gav? It's a lobster.
That was brilliant.
He's dragging up. He's like, what is it? It's a lobster, my friend. Yeah. Yeah.
That was fun running, wasn't it?
Beautiful.
Well, didn't it?
You must have got on my lid, Mike. I ain't going to get it off my line, so don't. You're not going to get it off. That's on your. That has. It's a good fish, though, Mike. I reckon. It's a nice one. We're just going to have to ignore my fucking line. It's on your lead clip. I think you might. Oh!
You ain't happy?
Woohoo! That's a good fish. That looks good. Might be your double, Mikey. Smashed in. Oh, that looks. Look how much you can see him in the water. That's cool. I reckon you have got your double there, mate.
That line, look.
That's on your clip. Concentrate on the fish. Don't worry about that. That's on your leg clip. I can't get it off it. Oh, that's why I'm keeping my line down, because you're going to have to bring it along my line.
Well, that means you grab my line.
Yeah, but you need to get the fish up higher first. Yeah, just keep reeling, because it's going to come up my surf. It's knackered anyway. That is your double, mate, I reckon. Oh, it's not happy now. Alright, let it. Ready? Can I get his flipping lead off my clip or not? So we can play. Oh. I just want the fucking fish.
Grab her! Yes, boy!
I want the fish. I don't care about me welly. I want the fish. Right. I reckon you got your double, mate. That'll hit 10, I reckon.
Off your line.
That should hit 10. Hey, Mikey!
What is it? It won't coming off.
Nah, that's got it. Same as before. We're gonna get her in the rucksack. Millsy's just zeroing it. So we ain't got no other way. We need a sling, really, don't we? Next time. No, next time I think we will get a... Hold her up anyway, mate. So that's a definite double. Good fish, mate. Let me get you over it. Look at that.
Alright.
Let's get a bit of spread light. Hold on. Let's turn that one off. That's better. Fiffy, get that other one off.
I'll tell you what. Let me.
Nice.
I'll just take it off at the end. I'll ask me what they're doing.
Yeah, go on, get it on, then we'll find out what the bag weigh. Just so she's not in there very long, then.
Sorry.
Sorry, love. No, you don't want to go in there. It's Millsy's rucksack, alright? You'll be alright.
You'll be alright. Try and get that tail just nice and quick and we can...
Right. 14 free.
Yeah, that's bigger than you think then, mate, because that bag's not going to weigh a lot. We'll get a picture, get her back, and then Millsy can do the bag. £11 something basically. We took the bag off. The bag was £2 something, so £11 something. Happy days. That's your double, mate. Well done.
What a scrap.
Let's get it back.
Yeah, let's do it.
Oh, quick, wise, calm.
Here's my love.
Yeah, a bit further. You won't. It's going to too calm to get her in. Go and smear slack water now. Go on, you got space. Go on.
Here we go. Yeah, boy!
Look how clear that is.
Coming back in to say bye.
Nah, she'll go. Turning and heading out. Goodbye. Here she goes. Shoo! Mikey's smashing it and he's got spotted! Oh, yeah. Look! He's got spotted. Huh? That's a spotted, isn't it?
That's a baby blonde.
Is it?
Yeah. Spots go all the way to the wing.
Yeah, baby blonde then.
Yeah.
I got me. Rob, look at that eye.
Didn't leave a towel on the mills.
That eye is the same as that one we caught on the boat, that thingy one. The one that was all...
Oh, look at that puckering hook.
Mike, you
Smashed it, ain't we?
have got a baby blonde. He's look at him, he's like a pig in shit, isn't he? Get a picture of that one. Right, hold on. Cut your, let me get that, do it in front of this light now, Mike, the spread light. The spread light films it nicer.
What's that?
And not the spots. I'm using my
turn this
spread.
off?
Yeah. I'll just get it on the camera then. On the actual, look at that. Mikey and a little blonde. He loves a little blonde.
Beautiful, isn't she?
Have fun unhooking that, mate. You're never going to believe this, but we're feeding a fox on the beach. I don't know if you're going to be able to see it. Keep your lights on it. We're feeding a fox. Oh, look at that. It's loving it. What are you feeding it?
Chunks of mackerel. My one.
Loving chunks of mackerel. Yeah, mate. Yeah, mate. It's all happening here tonight. Got a new little friend. Oh. As much as I don't like these things, this one unfortunately is proper tangled up in a load of bloody line with its young, so I'm going to have to try and snip away at it. It's all kicking off. Rob's into a nice one. Oh, that's not a bad one. Female, and it's got, I reckon it's got a pupped. Bit of a fatty, Rob.
Not bad, where's it?
Right, that's a double, isn't it?
Hang on, let me just...
I'd call that a double. It's either that or that's a 9 or... That's a, yeah, Christ, yeah. That's either a double or £9. We can't weigh them all, but that's a good fish.
Ah.
We catch loads of these baby things on the beach, it's unreal. But Mikey's rod's been screaming, I saw we'll get back to him. Mikey's in as well. It's all manic.
Kicking off, isn't it?
Yeah, well, I don't know. Oh, you're on my fucking line again, yeah?
Am I?
Yeah, hold on, that's right. I just got it. Oh no, that's alright, that's good. Go on, Mikey! Mikey and another hound. It's all kicking off for Chesil. Free them, free the spiders. It's gonna eat it. Num. Yeah, boy, that's another good one. That's another double. Is it? Yeah. Huh? Is it not? All right. Oh, about the same as your one, Rob, actually, isn't it? Nice. Well done. Rest of the hound. Our little friends come back. Yeah. Can we get it in? Come get it. Come on in. It's there. It's mackerel. Go on in. Hey. Come on. Our little friend's back. Come on, let us see her. Hold on. I can chuck you. Need me, mackerel. Give it in. See, look. It really don't care, does it? Come on. I'll come and get it. Oh, I don't want you taking my whole mackerel out. Yeah, he's now coming. Come on in. Look, he's coming closer. Come on. I'll let him get closer. Come on in, let us see. Yeah, let us see. Get it then. You couldn't get any closer, mate. Look, it's here. There, look. You're not smelling it, are you? Well, I never had you as close as that, Mr. Fox. It's up here, look. Here. There, look. There you go. You got it. Well done. You'll be able to pull it up. It's shallow now, isn't it? Yeah, boy! Another hound! Yeah!
Don't just grabbing me.
Yeah, boy. What are you doing with it, man?
Playing with it.
That's a nice fish.
Hello.
Right, we're loading up for our final evening. I think some of the other lads are sort of going to stay one more night, but we can only feed this. I'm sorry, I got my glass now, so it's bright. But yeah, this is our last evening. We had a good session last night, so we're probably going to return back. We were going to go to Ferry Bridge and stuff like that, but we're going to head back because we've had 2 good sessions. We don't see the point in sort of mixing that up and going to sort of 2 other places, really. If we're catching fish, if it's not broken, don't fix it, basically. So we're going to head back to there, hopefully get onto the hounds and some rays again. We're going to do a little bit of mackerel fishing again, get the bait, because that worked wicked last night. We caught some fresh mackerel and fished with it. The rays seemed to have loved that with the undulate and the blonde and stuff. And small eyes we're catching everything. The only thing we haven't, no, we had spotted, I think. The only thing we haven't had is a blonde. So yeah, we're going to try and get some more rays. Hopefully a few more hounds. They were getting a bit bigger last night. We had some couple of double figures. Some at just about £9 and stuff like that. So it's been a brilliant trip. So this is our final session, and then head home after that. So it's been good. It's been good. I can see what they see at the mighty Chesil. Yeah, it's a seriously nice place to fish. So our last little session on this beautiful beach. All the lads have just turned up. They've just set up down there. So yeah, this is it. This is the final session of our little free session. 3 evenings at Chesil Beach. It's been bloody good. Well, hopefully tonight we'll do the same. So yeah, Abbotsbury is where we've been doing it. We've done the whole 2 nights, so we thought, well, why change something if it's working? I've got a spider on my camera. Why change something if it's working? If it's not broke, we don't fix it. So I think Proffitt's taking a little break on top of the hill. I think he might be dying a little bit, bless him. But yeah, it's bloody hot. It's been a bloody hard walk, and this place is. I mean, you have to be fit to do it. Especially we've been walking a good sort of 15 minutes to the left, so coming out the car park, it's been tiring. But we've had some fish, so that makes it all worth it. So let's hope tonight will bring us some fish as well. So if we do, you'll soon see us back. Last night, we're all now trying to catch our mackerel. Just come off. Ah, Millsy just lost one. Look at that sun. This is why we come here. Look how beautiful that is. Absolutely beautiful. Beautiful, I should say. We're now trying to rack up on some mackerel to do our bait for the night. Mikey just had a couple up there. He's now putting them in the bag. This is for our bait. Well done, Mikey!
Go again.
That's it. You can't probably see, you're going to see me legs. But we're getting them, I think. Millsy's in. We're in. We're going to keep trying to get this bait. Fresh bait. Hey, Millsy just got some. That's a monster! Look at the size of that! Mate! Have you seen the size of that? That is a seriously sized mackerel. He's a big one.
Dinner table.
Dinner table. Which is probably what people would want, but unfortunately we just want them for bait. But good sized mackerel. Straight in my basket. This is the only time I'm going to do this tonight. Just right down the other end of the beach. And I need to fish for my rods. But I think Proffitt has just ticked off the last ray we needed on our list. Right on it. And what a fish! Proffitt! And his blondie!
We've got a blondie!
That's the only one left we needed. We have done them all. What an absolute trip. Third night, it's only now beginning. That's a bloody good fish. It's going to be £8 or £9 that easy. Easily. Well done, mate. You got to be chuffed with that, ain't you?
Well, I'm happy as happy.
Happy as happy. This is the only time I'm coming up here, by the way.
All right, mate.
I'm knackered. Where's your new scales?
I don't know. Don't know about
What?
Don't know if we would.
Oh.
Let me see your head then.
I'm sorry, I can't.
Millsy's come to the rescue with some scales. So we've all done the trek up the beach now, thanks to Proffitt.
One extra weight. Huh?
Oh yeah,
Lovely. Yeah.
beautiful, well done, mate.
Bobber.
Yeah, let's get the mackerel on then.
Open it up.
Put your finger in there, Prof, just to get it open.
Yeah, run. Can't, eh?
Baby. It's tickling it.
That's going off, his scales are playing up.
Don't give me that.
Yeah?
Well done.
Fucking heavy now, because my wrist.
Feels good.
What we got, Millso?
Them scales are up, aren't they?
£8 or £9?
£10.
Woohoo! £10.6!
Yeah.
Let's get her back.
Well done.
Well done, Prof. Good start, mate. Good start. Get all the mackerel out. Get the mackerel out.
Right, go on, mate.
She'll go. She'll go. She's off. Sticking to the bottom a little bit. She's off.
Come on.
Ah, she's gone. She's now going down that ledge. Millsy, what should I eat? Millsy, what should I eat? Oh no, not the cuttlefish!
Oh, the cuttlefish!
Oh no, the cuttlefish!
And over the top of that.
The cuttle!
Yes. Right, that one's free. That's £9. Have a little look at it.
Yeah. Oh no, not the cuttlefish. Good bite.
Cuttlefish.
Yeah, the cuttlefish. Hold on, mate. Another little undulate.
Yeah, with his undulate.
Undulate
Another
number
one.
2. Undulate number 2 on squid, that one. I swallowed it down, so I've got to try and get that out. Well, I can see the hook. Is it going to let me get it? Forget the hook.
Did you catch it on?
Squid. Little baby one, that's unhooked. We've got to put it back. Undulate number 2.
You want to have a look at your undulate?
Hurry up, Banks, I want to get it back in the water. Huh? Just a little one. How cool are they? They're wicked, aren't they? They're mental.
Catch and release.
See ya. Come on, babe.
There she go, look. There she go. Yeah, look, spinning around.
Yeah, just that it takes so thing. Did you, Dad?
What?
My blondie come to the top. Did it? Swam out. A wonderful place, this place, but these bloody things are the bane of our bloody lives. I just heard Mikey say he was in. I think he's got, hey, another spotted.
Another spot on crab again.
He's the Spotty King. Well done, mate. Mikey and he's up spotted.
First fish.
Well done, mate. Nice one. Oh, last night is planning to be a very, very difficult one. The wind is the worst we've had over the last 3 days. And the fishing's not as great. I mean, we have done well, in all fairness. I've had a little undulate. I'm at about 3 eels now, which have done my nutting and just tangled me up. I think Balaam's had a spotted. There's been a small-eyed halt as well from, I didn't see who done it, was either Carl or James. Proffitt's also had a blonde and an undulate, so the rest of the day, it's a night of the rays, that's for sure. But yeah, it's just hard. This wind is kicking across this beach. It's making it very hard fishing. Not the best of conditions. But we keep punching on, we keep trying. This is something that we ain't seen.
Well,
Yeah, lovely bite. I said to Rob, I just had a bite on that rod. Oh, that's welcome at least. It's been eel after eel after eel. I know it's only a little one, but yeah, we've been bombarded by it. It was on a tiger prawn. Tiger prawn with crab claws. Using it up. Oh well. Well, I think that's our session done. I think the old wind has beat people up a little bit. So they've had enough, so I think that is it. That is our Chesil adventure done. At least we ended it on a nice little smooth round. Yeah, what a place, what a place. It is, yeah, it's been a real enjoyable trip. We're now going to take a little slow pack up, sort of get everything packed away and try and not lose my beach buddy in this wind. Head on back, get some kip, and then we'll be getting up and getting stuff loaded in and heading back home, I guess. And hopefully we'll come back for another adventure soon. Maybe next year more likely, but see you later.